Thanks for MINISO for sponsoring today's video. Alright, let's talk about some features that make these headphones different from others. And yes, you could wear your glasses and these headphones at the same time. Play games with low latency, Bluetooth 5.4 connection, HD calling, hi-fi sound quality, IPX5 dustproof and waterproof. Comes with a lanyard for easy carrying, dual modes, game mode, music mode. The charging interface is a Type-C. The touch controls on the headphones. The rechargeable battery life is 30 hours. Charge time is an hour and a half. And these headphones support iOS, Android, Windows. These headphones are for people that don't like typical earbuds in their ears, so these are open ear earbuds. Alright, let's set up these headphones to my iPhone 14 Pro Max. Take one earbud out, turn on Bluetooth, and you should see them pop up. X15 Pros connected. Let's go to the sound touch controls. One tap is pause from each earbud. One tap is pause. Double tap from the left earbud is lowering the volume. Triple tap on the left earbud is previous song. On the right ear cup, triple tap is skipping the song forward. And the double tap on the right is increasing the volume. These headphones have a great bass on them, perfect for gaming or just jamming out to good music. And for people that don't like earbuds. If this is water resistant, you absolutely take these to the gym and use these for workout gear.
That's it for the unboxing and review. If you like this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.